3號強風信號現正生效，預料本港平均風速每小時41至62公里。喺下晝5點，強烈熱帶風暴暹芭集嘅香港嘅西南偏南大約370公里，即係喺北緯19度、東經112.9度附近。預料向西北移動，時速約16公里，大致移向廣東西部沿岸一帶。喺過去幾個鐘頭，暹芭繼續向西北移動，佢相關嘅雨帶間中為廣東沿岸帶嚟大驟雨同猛烈陣風。本港普遍吹強風，南部風勢較大。按照現時預測路徑，暹芭會喺今晚至聽朝早最接近香港，喺本港西南300公里附近掠過。預計暹芭會有所增強，同佢相關嘅烈風區會喺今日稍後靠近珠江口。本港普遍地區風力會進一步增強。天文台會考慮喺今晚6點至9點改發8號烈風或暴風信號。海面有大浪同湧浪，市民應該遠離岸邊並停止所有水上活動。喺過去1個鐘頭，橫瀾島同長洲泳灘分別錄得嘅最高持續風速係每小時70同54公里，最高陣風分別係每小時81同68公里。
The strong wind signal, number 3 is in force. This means that winds with mean speeds of 41 to 62 kilometers per hour are expected. At 5 p.m., severe tropical storm Chaba was estimated about 370 kilometers south-southwest of Hong Kong, which is near 19.2 degrees north, 112.9 degrees east, and is forecast to move northwest at about 16 kilometers per hour in the general direction of the coast of western Guangdong. In the past few hours, Chaba continued to track northwest. Its associated rain bands are occasionally bringing heavy showers and violent gusts to the coast of Guangdong. Strong winds are prevailing over Hong Kong. It is windier over the southern part of the territory. According to the present forecast track, Chaba will be closest to Hong Kong tonight and tomorrow morning, skirting about 300 kilometers to the southwest of the territory. Chaba is expected to further intensify, and its associated gales will edge closer to the Pearl River estuary later today. Local wind will strengthen further. The observatory will consider issuing the number 8 gale or storm signal between 6 and 9 p.m. Seas are rough with swells. Members of the public are advised to stay away from the shoreline and not to engage in water sports. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Waglan Island and Chung Shou Beach were 70 and 54 kilometers per hour with maximum gusts 81 and 68 kilometers per hour respectively.